am doing a project today with my two girlfriends. We are making these super cute Christmas gnomes as porch decorations. This is my girlfriend Ivana's idea, and I'm being joined by Katuska as well.
We are starting with a large tomato cage.
Okay. You turned it upside down, right?
Yes, it is upside down. Yes.
Okay.
We want to tie the ends.
Okay.
Bend it together and try to tie the ends with a
Zip tie.
zip tie.
Okay.
It's garland, it's white pine. Ready?
I
think this is garland made of white pine and it's all wired. So we're just starting at the top, right?
We're going to start at the top.
Okay.
We're going to cut at the bottom to get. Okay.
Perfect. Okay. Next one.
You're gonna like. So just cutting it down, trying to make him a perfect skirt.
Next one.
Stop it with a few. Here you go. Good potato for a nose.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna put
I'm gonna stab the potato.
with one of the wires.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Then we're gonna put the potato on the gnome.
Attach it to one of the wires, the top round wire.
Yes,
Right.
or around the all the pine.
And now we're making mittens.
Yes, but
Got a little pattern.
there's his mitten. Although I can make it.
I actually like the mittens, but I think it needs one more.
Yeah. Like
So this was so much fun. Thanks, Ivana, and thanks, Katuska. We put these guys outside, and you just need to spritz them a little bit. So thanks, everyone. Thanks, Ivana, for your idea. Thanks, everyone, for watching. If you like this idea and you want to see more, think about subscribing. Bye-bye.